Samantala, upang pag-usapan ang role ng simbahan sa mundo ng politika, makakapanayan po natin ngayon dito sa PTV News Center si Professor Sam Yap, academe and ex-priest. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Pia.
Sir, paano po kaya makakatulong ang simbahan sa ating pamahalaan in terms of pagpapaayuda o sasang-ayon sa mga programa ng gobyerno?
Well, yung theme ni President Pinoy, Daang Matuwid, dapat yun ang suportahan ng simbahan. Because the church is all about living according to the will of God. So dapat lahat mga obispo, mga kaparian at mga katoliko susuporta kay Pinoy sa crusade niya for Daang Matuwid.
Sir, paano naman natin susuportahan itong mga bagong halal na senador?
Yun ang maganda. The church should come in as giving the guidelines of good governance. Pro-God, pro-life, pro-country, against corruption, against political dynasties. Yun ang giya na binibigay ng simbahan para sa mga bagong halal. They should live their faith. You know, sabi ni Pope Francis, the problem with many Catholics is that they are part-time Catholics. They are Catholics for convenience, cafeteria Catholics. They don't live, the religion is separate from their life. Kaya yun din ang nangyari sa buhay natin dito. Ang belief in God nasa intellect, wala sa puso. Because of that, there's a great dichotomy. Kaya yung Daan Matuwid ni Pinoy, cannot be enacted because of that.
Sir, ang simbahan po ba is against talaga sa political dynasties?
Well, we are against anything that is according to the morals and teachings of the Catholic Church. Ang problema kasi sa political dynasties, there has been many studies which shows that when a political dynasty rules a region, the political dynasty becomes richer at saka mga tao become poorer. Kaya ganun ang nangyayari. Kaya we're against political dynasties because of that.
Sir, panigurado itong 12 senador ay magpapasa na naman ng batas. Normal lang po ba, sir, sa hanay ng simbahan na kumukontra sila kapag meron silang hindi nagugustuhan sa mga naipapasa o ipinapasang batas?
Well, parang ganito yan, Di ba sa US may Jewish lobby? They lobby for what they believe is right. Kaya the Catholic Church also lobby for what it believes is right. Kaya kung may mga panukala ang mga senador o congressmen which perhaps may go against the Catholic faith and morals, they also lobby against that. Parang interest group, kanya-kanya tayo. Parang ganon.
Okay, sir. So, sir, paano to be specific? Paano kayo makakatulong sa Administrasyong Aquino? Ano po yung mga kooperasyon na gagawin ng simbahan?
For one, right now, parang the relationship between President Pinoy at saka parang hindi masyadong maganda. Although, in the last analysis, pareho silang parehong punto, Daang Matuwid, which is what the Catholic Church also wants to do. So I would suggest perhaps na mayroong isang commission, permanent commission between the Catholic Church, CBCP, at saka yung government, so that they can consult each other, they can help each other, and with the 75% Catholics all over the Philippines, dapat malaking tulong ang Catholic Church doon sa Daang Matuwid ni President Pinoy.
Sir, bagamat mayroong separation of powers ang simbahan at ang pamahalaan, sir, ano ang naging galaw ng simbahan noong nakaraang eleksyon, itong midterm elections?
Kasi ganito yun, The church is composed of the clergy and the laity. Yung clergy, they are prohibited by canon law to engage in partisan politics. They give only guidelines, precepts on to vote wisely. But yung mga Catholics, like us, the laymen, we are not prohibited. Therefore, we go and exercise our Catholic vote to vote for what is right according to the Catholic Church. Yun ang different role na, kumbaga, the clergy and the laity should play.
Okay. Ang panghuling mensahe na lang po bilang dating pari, ano po ang inyong mensahe dito sa bagong halal na 12 senador at sa mahahalal naman na party list groups?
Ang masasabi ko, if you're a Catholic, you should be a full-time Catholic. Dapat ma-reflect yan sa salita mo, sa buhay mo. You practice what you preach. You live what you believe. So that buo ang buhay mo. And I assure you, pag gawin mo yan, our nation can be great again.
Okay. Maraming salamat po, sir, sa inyong pagpunta ngayong umaga. Yan po si Professor Sam Yap, Academe and ex-priest. Maraming salamat, sir.
Thank you po.